How to use first and last in English sentences. The words first and last are used in English sentences to indicate the initial or final position of something in a sequence, order, or series. Here are some common ways to use first and last in sentences. First, to indicate the initial position or occurrence. He was the first person to arrive at the party. My first job was working at a local bookstore. To express priority or preference. My first choice for dinner is Italian cuisine. I want to be the first to know the results. When listing items, events, or steps. First, we need to gather all the necessary ingredients. The first item on the agenda is the budget presentation. In time expressions. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. The first thing I do is make coffee. Last. To indicate the final position or occurrence. She was the last person to leave the office. We saved the best for last. To express the final item, event, or step. Last but not least, I want to thank everyone for their support. The last chapter of the book provides a surprising twist. In time expressions. I usually go to bed late. Last night I slept at 2 a.m. I'll see you tomorrow. I saw you last on Monday. It's important to note that the specific usage of first and last will depend on the context and the intended meaning within a sentence. These examples provide a general understanding of their usage, but there may be other ways to use these words in different contexts.